Is it today?
Hi guys, it's my birthday today. I can't wait to celebrate. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Miles? Happy birthday, sis. Come down to the dining area. I have a surprise for you.
I'm getting ready. I can't believe this is for me. For my birthday. Isn't Miles cutest brother ever? Miles! Miles! Not here. I'm curious what's under the lid. You're the worst brother ever!
It worked! Finally!
Why you always ruin my birthdays?
Look what I did for you. Look at this table.
Look at this table! Look at you! You look stupid, Miles! You on pranks?
It was so good.
You're gonna have pranks, alright? I'm officially starting the prank challenge. The one who loses gets this cake smashed into his face. And the one who wins gets the booba. Wait for a revenge, Miles.
No. Lexi! Help me out! I can't get out! Guys, y'all are not ready for this prank. Lexi thinks she can mess with me? Ain't no way! Miles is the king of pranks. Look.
Oh, that's so hot today.
You're gonna see what is gonna happen. Let's go.
All right, just give me 2 minutes, and I'm gonna finish with this, and then we can go in the pool.
Yeah, let's go swimming.
Yes.
Hey girls, what are you doing?
Miles! Just
What's up?
Oh, you're ready for the pool?
I'm ready for the pool. Let's go.
let's go. Like in 2 minutes.
I need to finish.
Okay.
Oh no, my thing is broken.
Lexi!
Miles!
Why would you do this?
It wasn't me, Mom.
Oh
Are
my
you
God.
serious? It was Miles. I'm telling you, I was just here next to you. Mom, why would you do this?
Why would you do this?
Take this. Lexi, I'm so sorry.
I told
it wasn't me.
I don't mind. It's just I
You could
prefer
have
if
waited like 2
I'm
minutes to go
telling
in.
you, I was just here. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, it was him. I'm telling you.
It's okay. It's just I don't have any other clothes to change.
I'll give you
so-
mine, all right? Like, let's just sort it out. It's gonna be fine. I'm sorry. Like, I'm
It's
telling
okay.
you.
Guys, it totally worked. I'm so excited. Let's do it again. Guys, let's go.
Are you serious?
I told ya. Punishment time.
Let's get him.
No.
Yes. You're going in pool. I'll help you. Okay. Bye,
Stupid wet Miles.
That would teach you to play with us.
I hate you, girl. Guys, I may have lost this round, but I promise you, the next one is on me. There's no way I'm losing another round.
Hey guys, so I found this amazing prank on TikTok and I can't wait to try it out on Miles. So we're having 2 plates here, both the same, his and mine. But there's gonna be a very little difference, which is in this little bottle, we'll put a bit of food coloring on Miles's dessert and see how it ends up.
Guys, you won't believe what just happened. I just walked in and I saw Lexi preparing her next prank.
I don't think he'll notice anything. All right.
Oh man, look at her. She's so happy, but she doesn't know that I know. You're not gonna be happy in a while.
Miles, watermelon.
Ooh, I got some for us. Please wait, don't eat. I'll go get my phone, right? Okay, I'll come.
Go. Oh my gosh, she can mess with me. She doesn't know that I know. I'm just gonna wait here.
Hey, Miles.
Hey.
Say hi to my followers.
Hello guys, I have the best sister ever. Look,
Does.
of course, like look what she just made for me, right? Like
Yes.
these hot days, this is the best meal ever. You're the greatest sister ever. No, for real. I love you. Thank you so much.
Love you, Miles.
Cheers.
Cheers. You like it?
I love it. You like yours?
Mine is perfect.
Ooh, you look amazing.
Thank you.
What happened? Oh no.
You knew.
Oh no.
I know.
Look what happened.
Oh no, I'm having the party tonight.
Oh no.
I have to eat all of mine.
I'm so sorry.
I hate you.
You can't mess with Miles. You can't. You just can't.
Hey guys, I have the best idea ever for the next prank for Miles. He has a huge fear of insects, especially cockroaches. You have to check out this. Every time he screams like a little girl. You get my idea? Let's go. Looks good. Hey Miles, Miles, come. You have to check out this prank. It has millions of views. Like millions. Like millions. Oh, oh.
No.
Wait.
No.
Just
Kill
a
it.
cockroach.
No.
Kill it.
No.
I'll take it out. Don't worry. Look. I'm holding it.
No.
I'm holding it.
Move.
It's fine.
Lexi,
Yay.
you know I hate them. Is it dead?
No, I just threw it out the window. I think they're coming in groups. So if there was one... You broke out chair.
You broke my heart.
Because of the cockroach. Wait, probably, like, if we found
Okay,
one, probably
stay
there
here.
are more.
Stay here.
It's time for the prank. I'll just put my finger inside and we're gonna pretend there is something interesting in it. Oh, he's coming. Wait, what? What's that?
No.
What's that?
I'll kill them all.
No. Wait,
Here.
look, I see you're stressed. You want
What
a
is
piece
that?
of cake?
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, that's a lemon cheesecake.
Why is it so small?
My cake! Miles,
It was
are
moving!
you crazy?
It was moving! You saw it moving, right?
What?
It moved!
What did you do with my cake?
moved.
Like, with my...
Don't tell me you didn't see it move.
No. It's just an innocent piece of cake, and now it's all over the place because of you.
I'm not crazy. I swear it
Look,
moved.
it's fine, look.
Oh my god.
You scared me!
There's something in there.
No, wait.
gonna smash it again.
Look. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh my god, I have flashbacks of that day when I was 4. I was asleep and then I woke up in the middle of the night and I had this big cockroach on my... At least it's nice.
Ha! I won this round.
What is it?
I won this round. There's a hole.
No way. You
Yeah.
did that.
Yeah.
You did that.
Yes, I did that.
You're so evil. Like, you know I don't like cockroaches. But I'm gonna get you for sure. I'm gonna get you for sure.
Okay, see you later.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, this is my friend Josh.
What's up?
And we're about to prank Miles together. So now we are going to the restaurant and we will see what will happen. Yeah. Let's go.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Isn't it?
Actually, it is. Nice. You could have told me it's a fancy restaurant with this
Yeah.
shirt. Anyway.
Maybe next time. It's fine. Well, I thought, like we could spend more time together, like brother and sister, like
Sure.
bonds.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What happened?
I dropped my lipstick. Just a second.
Okay. Finally.
Sorry, I got it back.
Took you so long, huh?
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Can I have these, please?
Sure. You can have everything you want. The thief! My bag! Get you! Oh no!
What? Wait.
Wow!
How did
What just happened?
You've been pranked!
Oh, +1 to Lexi!
You guys know each other?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, Josh.
No problem. See
And
you
my
later.
back is back. Thank you, Josh.
Lexi, come on.
What? You're
You
just
ruined my
jealous.
shirt.
Let's go have
Watch your
dinner at
back.
home, brother.
No. Okay, I have to prank Lexi, and it needs to be a good one. Right here. No. Think. What do you think? Guys. Right? Okay, let's go. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. She thinks she can mess with me. No, no. Can't mess with Miles. Miles. I can't wait. Going in.
What? What? Why are those here? So, live stream time. Hi guys! So I already put my makeup on. Today's mood is pink with some gems on top. So I'm getting ready for this party tonight. And hey guys, I kind of feel my teddy bear is weird today. I felt like it was moving, but no way it was moving. So about this party tonight. Alright guys, I'll be back later. See ya.
I saw you were moving. Move again.
Oh.
Miles! Miles! You destroyed my teddy bear, Miles!
Oh, I'm so glad.
You
I'm
scared
so
me!
glad I did that.
Oh my god! Becky!
Ooh,
Where's all
it
the
was the best prank ever. Guys, you're with me. It was the best prank ever.
You know what? Now you put everything back into him.
It was the best prank ever. It was the best prank ever, wasn't it? It was the best prank ever. Hey guys, as you know, I lost this challenge for some reason. Lexi won. So now I have to give Booba to her.
Thank you, brother! Thank you for the booba. Thank you all. Let's go.
What? Oh no!
You remember about the cake? You ready?
No, no.
Alright, 3, 2,
No, no!
1, go!
I'm dripping.
I have another present for you.
What?
My little loser! Meet the new queen of pranks.
I have in my nose. I can't breathe.
All right.
Anyway,
Now
guys,
you know.
No,
Now you know.
like it's all love, you know. We're like siblings. We did a challenge and we love each other, right? I
Right?
just have one last thing to do. Bye.
No!
The king of pranks. So